And the motivations of the leak and even the legality of it are sparking a firestorm in the nation's capital. ABC 10 News reporter Melissa Messia shows us the next steps in this investigation of how this confidential document became public.
Chief Justice Roberts called the leak egregious. He directed the marshal of the court to launch an investigation into the source. Team 10 turned to legal experts on what that investigation could look like.
Well, the first thing is to find out who was there, who had access to the documents.
A process criminal and civil attorney Brian Watkins says will be tough.
It was given to a member of the press. And the press, of course, has, as you well know, has the right not to divulge its sources. So they could subpoena the individual who did the story, and he doesn't have to really speak as to where he obtained that from.
Legal experts agree termination is likely for whoever leaked it. Civil action is possible. But they say despite calls by top Republicans like Mitch McConnell for criminal action, it really depends how the draft opinion was obtained.
If someone broke into someone's office, saw that on a desk and took it or made photocopies of it without their permission, yeah, there could be criminal charges pending. The question is how did that person have access to it and what was their authorization to do what they did with it?
As far as any possible evidence,
I practice in litigation where we frequently are doing electronic discovery. And so emails, text messages, anything that's transmitted electronically is generally something that we can discover absent significant links of someone to cover that up.
Are there any whistleblower type protections for the person who gave this document out?
No, there's no whistleblower protection. So whistleblower protection is when there's something wrong, something criminal is being done. A Supreme Court opinion, whether you agree with it or disagree with it, is not a crime.